Welcome to this presentation on the theories of evolution. Today, we will explore the key ideas and evidence supporting the concept of evolution, from early theories to modern understandings. Evolution is the process through which species undergo gradual changes over time. These changes are driven by genetic modifications that help organisms adapt to their surroundings. Over the years, several theories have been proposed to explain the mechanisms behind evolution. Lamarck suggested that evolution occurs through the use and disuse of organs. Organisms could pass traits they acquired during their lifetime to their offspring. For example, ducks developed webbed feet from stretching skin while swimming. Lamarck's ideas are illustrated with examples like giraffes. Lamarck suggested that ancestral giraffes originally had shorter necks. These giraffes lived in environments where food, such as leaves, was located on taller trees. To reach this food, they stretched their necks over time. As a result of this continuous stretching, their necks became slightly longer during their lifetimes. According to Lamarck, these longer necks were inherited by their offspring. Over many generations, this process of stretching and inheritance led to the long-necked giraffes we see today. Although Lamarck's theory was eventually discredited, it was an important early attempt to explain how species change over time. Let's evaluate what we've learned so far about Lamarck's theory. Answer the following multiple-choice questions. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection highlights that individuals with favorable traits are more likely to survive and reproduce. This process drives the adaptation of species over time. Darwin's observations, like the varying beak shapes of finches and the survival of darker moths during England's Industrial Revolution, are evidence of natural selection in action. The mechanism of Darwin's natural selection begins with variation, where individuals within a species show differences in traits. These variations arise through genetic mutations, sexual reproduction, or recombination. When resources are limited, organisms compete for survival. Adaptation plays a key role as individuals with beneficial traits, like better camouflage or resistance to diseases, have a survival advantage. For example, in a population of beetles, birds easily spot green beetles on brown soil, while brown beetles remain hidden. Brown beetles survive and reproduce more frequently, passing their advantageous traits to offspring. Over time, this process, called survival of the fittest, leads to a gradual increase in favorable traits within the population. If enough changes accumulate over generations, a new species may eventually form, a process known as speciation. This is how Darwin's natural selection drives evolution in organisms. Neo-Darwinism, or the modern synthesis, integrates Darwin's theory with modern genetics, emphasizing that mutations and recombination drive genetic variation and, ultimately, evolution. Several pieces of evidence support the theory of evolution. The fossil record shows a timeline of species evolving from simple to complex forms, with transitional fossils like Archaeopteryx linking ancient and modern species. Comparative anatomy highlights shared ancestry through homologous structures, such as similar limb structures in vertebrates, and vestigial structures like the human appendix, which are remnants of evolution. Embryology further supports this by showing that early development stages of different species are strikingly similar, suggesting a common origin. Molecular biology provides strong evidence through DNA and protein similarities, such as humans sharing about 98% of their DNA with chimpanzees. Finally, biogeography explains the geographical distribution of species, showing how isolated populations adapt uniquely to their environments, as seen in Galapagos finches. Together, these findings illustrate how life has evolved over time. Now, let's test our understanding of Darwin's theory and neo-Darwinism. Answer these questions based on what we've discussed. In summary, evolution is a gradual genetic process explained through theories like Lamarck's and Darwin's. Neo-Darwinism further connects genetics with evolution, and evidence from fossils, anatomy, and DNA supports these ideas. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.